In this video, I will show you how you can get email alerts for new LinkedIn leads automatically. So what will happen, every time the user submit your LinkedIn lead generation form, you will automatically get an alert on your email, something like, hey, a new lead has been generated from your LinkedIn ads, and now you can easily call or follow up your lead and convert it from Gmail only. So if you also want to set this automation for yourself, come with me and I will show you everything step by step, and believe me, any non-technical person can create this automation very easily. Now, to receive these form alerts automatically on your Gmail, I'll have to build an integration in these two applications, and I am going to connect these two with the Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software, and I am an existing user, so here you can notice I am already logged in. You can also create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from the sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test this automation. Now, once you will reach to the dashboard, click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have pasted the name as get email alerts for new LinkedIn leads. Okay, now click on create, and then you will notice two boxes in front of you. So these are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Okay, so you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. Okay, understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application to your customer. And here, according to our use case, whenever your lead generation form is filled, then automatically send those lead alerts on Gmail applications. So firstly, I am going to select this application, and in the action I will select Gmail application. Now the idea here is I'll have to connect these two applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so firstly I will select the trigger event, that is new lead generation form response. Okay, I want that as soon as any new form response is submitted here, those details should be captured via Pabbly Connect. For that, I'll have to build an integration, build a connection. Okay, so simply select this add a new connection and click on this connect with the LinkedIn lead generation forms, and then you will have to provide the access of your LinkedIn account. Well, I have already built this connection multiple times, so I will go with the existing connection this time, but make sure if you are building this connection for the first time, you will always have to go with the new connection only, and after that you can also use the existing connection. Now here you can notice my LinkedIn account is connected with Pabbly Connect, and it is asking to select me an account and the lead form. Well, whatever the accounts are available inside my LinkedIn account have started visible here, you can see, because we are connected. And secondly, even the lead form are also visible here. Whatever the forms I have created inside my account are visible inside our Pabbly Connect dashboard. Okay, so I will go with this specific account only, that is Naveen Kole, and in the form also I will go with this sample lead generation form only. Now why I am going with this specific form? Okay, so here you can notice if I'll click on this advertisement section, basically I am into the advertise section, and in this advertise section you will find the group, campaigns and ads. Okay, under this group, under this campaign, I have created two ads, and if I will edit this ad in front of you, you will notice that the same sample lead generation form is actually associated with this ad. Okay, let me show you. Let me wait for that ad to be load. Alright, so my advertisement is open. Let me scroll down and show you under this form details, the same form is selected. Okay, so that is why I have specifically selected the same form here. Now I will open my ad, then I will open my LinkedIn lead generation form, and in front of you I will submit my form as a dummy user. Okay, so let me show you. This was my advertisement. Let me open that. and assume that the user has landed on my advertisement. This advertisement is all about looking to hire a digital marketing expert for your business. Fill the below form and we will contact you shortly. We offer SEO and digital marketing services to the companies. Do you want to increase the traffic and your search engine ranking? So as a user, yes, I would like to apply for this digital marketing services. Okay, so that is why I will be submitting this form so that they will contact me back. Okay, so here I will provide my dummy details, something like demo@pabblytudes.com. Okay, so I have provided the email address, asking for the phone number. So how about I provide some dummy number? Okay, so I have provided a 10-digit number. Now here you will notice the first name, last name and company name. These three fields are already filled, basically pre-filled, from where my form is taking these default values. Okay, so if I will edit my account in front of you, basically my LinkedIn account in front of you, you will notice I have created a page, a company page, and in this page I have provided the details as Pabbly and subscription billing management service as the first name and the last name. And because I am working into the draft mode, both of my advertisement are actually into the draft mode. They are not working, these are not live ads, so that is why it is taking the default value from my page. It is picking up the default values from my page. So I will go with these dummy details only, but don't worry, when you will create this automation, of course you must be running some live advertisement. In that case you can proceed with the real data. Okay, so currently I'll go with this detail only, and now finally I am submitting this form, and once the submission is successful, I'll click on this button and you will notice that the form submission details will be received as a response in Pabbly Connect dashboard. And here you can notice the response is received, and if I will show you the details of this response, okay, so here we have the form name, the same form name, that is sample lead generation form. Let me also show you other details. So here we have the same dummy email address which I have provided at the time of form submission. We also have the phone number, the first name and the last name, and lastly the company name. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between our LinkedIn lead generation form and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. So now onwards, every time any user is going to submit your LinkedIn lead generation form, firstly the data will be received via Pabbly Connect in every 10 minutes. Why in 10 minutes? Because this trigger will check for the new data in every 10 minutes. Okay, so when this automation will work in real time, you will notice that the data will not be updated in real time or immediately. Okay, so basically you'll have to wait for at least 10 minutes patiently, and after 10 minutes for sure your data will be updated. Okay, now the first step of our automation is done. Moving further, finally I want to send a lead alert on my Gmail account. Basically I would like to receive these alerts on my email. Okay, so the application is already selected. In the action event I will select the send email, because of course I want to do the same. And just like we have built a connection in Pabbly Connect and LinkedIn lead generation form, now we will connect Gmail with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you'll have to select this add a new connection and click on this button, and then you'll have to provide the access of your Gmail account. Well, I have already provided this connection, so again I will go with the existing connection, and this is how my Gmail application will be also connected with the Pabbly Connect. Now here you can notice it is asking several details. Okay, so I will provide the data only in the required fields. Okay, so of course the recipient email address is required, so here I'm going to provide my email address only, because I want to receive the email alert on my email address. And you can receive the same alerts on multiple email address. You just need to provide those email address separated by a comma. So here I will be adding my number, that is admin@pabblytudes.com. okay, so this is my email address. Basically this is an email address of this specific account. Now I will provide other details like the sender name. So again I will provide some random name, something like Pabbly. Assume that the sender name is Pabbly, it is being sent by Pabbly team. Email subject line, so here I will write something like new user has filled your form. Okay, or I can write it as LinkedIn lead generation form. I'm writing this particular subject line. Every time a new user will submit that form, I will receive an email with this specific subject line. Let me also correct the spelling, basically the capital and small case, asking for the email content type, so I'll go with the same. And finally it is asking for the email content, what email you would like to receive. Okay, so I have already prepared a small email, so how about I directly copy the email and paste paste it here. Okay, so yes, I have copied. I'm going to paste the same here, and then I will correct the formatting. Okay, so dear manager, a new lead has just got captured via our LinkedIn ads. Okay, and sharing the lead details, and here I want that all lead related information should be received on my Gmail. Okay, so I have captured email, phone, company, these details via my LinkedIn lead generation form. So that is why I have specified these 4 details. Okay, again a colon will come here, and here I will press enter, and the name is here. Okay, so email, name, phone, company. Since I have captured only 4 details via my LinkedIn lead generation form, so that is why I have specified 4 details only. Follow up the lead and try to convert it. Thanks, enjoy automation. Okay, so this email I would like to receive along with all lead details. Now from where I'm going to provide these details, the lead details. Okay, so remember we have just captured the data into our previous step, and I don't need to manually copy this data and paste it here. We can easily map the above data here. Okay, and mapping is very simple. You just need to click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Yes, it is the same data, the above data. Let me search for the email address, and this is the email address of the lead. Now I will be mapping the first name and the last name. Okay, so here we have the first name as Pabbly. Now I will give a space, and then I will map the last name, which was subscription billing management service. As I have told you that I am going to use the default, the dummy details only, asking for the phone number. So this is the phone number of the lead which they have provided, and finally I will be mapping the company name, which was I guess Magnet Brains. Okay, so I have provided all the details here, and do you know these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. That is why we have specifically mapped this data. So what will happen, whatever the details I have provided manually, those details will remain same, and whatever the details I have mapped here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time, or you can say when another user fill my form, the detail of that another user will be replaced here and the new details will be added here. Okay, so this is how this automation is going to take place, and that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation. Now I am going to click on this button, and you will see that a response will be received, and here this response is saying that my email has been sent. Let me go back and refresh my Gmail account and wait for the message to arrive. And here you can notice that the email is arrived and the subject line is same, new user has filled your LinkedIn lead generation form, and the email is, dear manager, a new lead has just captured via our LinkedIn ad, sharing the lead details, and here we have the email address, the name, the phone number, and the company name. Okay, follow up the lead and try to convert it. Thanks, enjoy automation. Okay, so this is how now onwards, every time someone is going to submit your LinkedIn lead generation form, you will automatically receive alerts on your email that a new user has filled your form. Okay, and to automate this process, you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. And if you want to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of this workflow into my description box. You just need to click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.